let's look at how to evaluate logs. And a really good way to do this is to kind of rewrite those logarithms in exponential form to kind of figure out the solution. So log of 1 is saying 10 to the question mark is equal to 1. So what would that question mark be? Well, anything raised to the 0 is 1. So 10 to the 0 is 1. So log of 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so it's whatever this exponent is. So log of 10 means 10 to the question mark is equal to 10. Well, the best way to do that is just raise it to the first power, because anything raised to the first power is itself. So 10 to the first is equal to 10. So log 10 is equal to 1. All right, log of a million. So we're looking for 10 to the question mark is equal to 1 million. Okay, well, that would be 10 to the 6th is going to be equal to a million. So this log of a million is equal to 6. It's equal to that exponent. Log of 0.01, so this is 10 to the question mark, is equal to 0.01. So some of you might be able to do that in your head. For me, I like to think of this as this is 1 over 100, which is really the same as 1 over 10 squared, which is 10 to the negative 2. Okay? So however it is that you can kind of wrap your head around looking at this decimal, some people go, oh, I just had to move that over 2 places, so that would make it a negative 2. But however it is that you can kind of rationalize what that 0.01 looks like as 10 to the something will work there. So this answer here is negative 2. Log of 1 over root 10. So this is 10 to the question mark is equal to 1 over the square root of 10. So that's 1 over 10 to the 1/2. And if I want to bring that up into the numerator, I can rewrite that with a negative exponent. So that's 10 to the negative 1/2. So log of 1 over root 10 is negative 1/2. All right, and the last but not least, number 12, log of negative 100. So I need 10 to the question mark is equal to negative 100. Can I multiply? So 10 is a positive number, and if I keep multiplying it by itself, can I ever get a negative number out of that? And the answer to that is no, because I'm just working with multiples of this positive number or dividing by multiples of this positive number. Okay, and so there's no way to get a negative out of that. So log of negative 100 does not exist. And the reason for that, one is when we look at that graph, you'll see what the graph looks like, which is a lot like this. Okay, so you'll notice that nothing is graphed on the left side of the y-axis, so you can't put any negative numbers in there, just looking at it graphically. And we also were given this restriction at the beginning. So the domain of log is that it has to be a positive number. Okay, so several ways of looking at this, but log of a negative number does not exist.